Welcome back. Did you know that whenever you're working out your legs and your core in the gym, most of the time there are many set of muscles, many groups of muscles that you will ignore. Most of the time, you can't always exercise all those muscles, right? There are smaller groups of muscles which are most of the time ignored, but they are very important for our daily life. Most of these muscles we can work out with using martial arts kicks. So, not looking at martial arts like martial arts, but today we will look at these martial art movements called as kicks as workout. So I have designed these kicks in such a way that we can use this with different repetitions and like sets like a workout. So welcome to this kicking workout. So the first thing we want to do is we want to mix up all these kicks, the basic three kicks, front kick, side kick and the roundhouse kick. We are going to arrange this in such a way that it is more of a cardiovascular exercise. It is cardio plus it is working the core because we need to lift up the legs and legs में वजन होता है कि नहीं, पैर में वजन होता है तो पैर को उठा के ऐसे किक करने में आपको पेट की जरूरत पड़ती है. So the core is also getting worked over here and there are minute muscles over there, small muscle groups which are used for lifting up your legs, which most of the time we ignore. वो सारे भी इधर काम आएंगे. प्लस हम कंटिन्यूसली फुटवर्क के साथ ये करते रहेंगे तो एक कार्डियो वाला एक्सरसाइज भी है. इससे मोटापा घटेगा, स्टेमिना बढ़ेगा, किक्स बेटर होंगी और आप उन अनजान अनदेखे मसल्स को भी वर्क कर सकते हैं. सो द फर्स्ट थिंग वी आर गोइंग टू डू इज इट इज नथिंग बट अ सिंपल humble घरेलू साधारण front kick and you come back. Okay, and now what I do is I switch. I usually use the switching step in sparring in many other fighting moves also. So it is nothing but you lift up the leg and you switch over here like this. Front leg is lifted and you switch. Just like that movement they use in Thai boxing, right? 1, 2 and 3. They do that, right? Switch step, right? Used for roundhouse kicks and front leg kicks. The same thing we are going to use to change the legs. So it is a front kick. So it is a front kick, put back, change, front kick, put back. Right? Very simple. Both legs we are using, but be careful about the switching. It is also a fighting move, so pay attention to that also. 1. Try to maintain your head level, keep your core tight. Right? So it is front kick, change, front. Now, same thing. Change, go to a side kick. Change, side, change, roundhouse, change, roundhouse. Now this is 1 rep. Front kick with both legs, side kick with both legs, roundhouse kick with both legs. This is 1. Now you have to do 10. Now that's a challenge. You can do 5, you can start with 5, you can start with 5 and you can gradually increase and make it 10. आगे बढ़ा सकते हैं. तो क्या करना है, पीछे वाले से राइट से फ्रंट किक, चेंज, लेफ्ट से फ्रंट किक, चेंज, साइड किक, चेंज, साइड किक, चेंज, राउंडhouse kick, change, roundhouse kick. This is 1. Keep doing this. 5 करिए, 10 करिए, 20 करिए हमारे ठेंगे से. So the second set of exercise, what you have to do is, it's a combination of a front kick and a front kick and a kick like this. If I use technical karate words, maybe not everybody will understand. So it is a kick like this plus a roundhouse kick. Everybody knows what is a roundhouse kick. So I am using a punching bag or any target, anybody. If you have a smaller brother, make him stand over there. I'm saying you have to front kick to the right, to the left, like this. It is like this, and then put your leg back down, front kick to the right. Okay, so the first 2 moves are nothing but 1, down, 2. Simple. Okay, you don't have to hit this thing. Now in the third one you have to hit it. So after 1 and 2, put it down, and now we hit to the face level like this, right? Using this part of the foot, you hit over here. Front kick, put down, front kick, put down, here, put down, roundhouse kick. So it is simple. It is like 1, down, 2, down, 3, down, 4. Okay, so this is 1. Try doing 5, increase the number, go to 10, right? So nothing, 1, 2, 4. In the first exercise we anyway trained both parts, but here we did only right. तो जो भी आप राइट से करते हैं लेफ्ट से भी करना जरूरी है. तो लेफ्ट में आपको बताएंगे ये सेम चीज है. राइट की तरफ लेफ्ट से कर रहे हैं तो राइट की तरफ किक, पुट बैक, फिर लेफ्ट की तरफ किक, फ्रंट किक है, वापस नीचे ऐसे आएगा और ऐसे, राइट. ये करने के बाद पुट योर लेग डाउन एंड राउंडर्स किक. सेम थिंग विद द लेफ्ट लेग. सो इट लुक्स लाइक दिस. 1, 2. अभी तक अगर आपने मेरे साथ ट्राई किया होगा सो यू माइट हैव नोटिस दैट यहाँ पे इस एरिया के मसल में थोड़ा सा ऐसा पकड़ाव सा आ रहा है, उधर टाइट हो रहा है, राइट. सो दिस इज द मसल आई वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर लिफ्टिंग योर लेग्स एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम वी डोंट ट्रेन देम. द ओनली टाइम दे आर यूज्ड इज लाइक लिफ्टिंग योर लेग और किकिंग समथिंग, राइट. सो हाउ टू ट्रेन देम? प्रैक्टिस मोर किकिंग, right? That's the concept over here. So the third drill that I'm going to try to tell you is 3 roundhouse kicks in 3 levels. Low. We're going to start with the left, then with the right. So we are using front leg, okay? Because front leg is very important. If you are a martial artist, you should know how to operate your front leg. Maybe, right? That's very important. So front leg, roundhouse kick to the maybe knee level, okay? Low kick. Without putting your leg down, you go to the middle level. So here low, middle level and face level without putting your leg down. So this is the third exercise. 1, 2, 3. Right? You don't have to go with full power. What we are trying to develop over here is stamina and speed. Right? If there is speed, power will come अपने आप झक मार के power आएगी. Right? तो आगे वाले पैर से बिना पैर को नीचे रखें, नीचे, बीच में और ऊपर. सो 1, 2, 3. नाउ यू कैन प्लेस डाउन. बी रेडी, ब्रीथ एंड गो. 1, 2, 3. अगेन 1, 2, 3. ओके 1, 2, 3. नाउ दिस कैन बी डन बोथ साइड्स. ये अभी लेफ्ट से किया, राइट से भी कर सकते हैं. राइट में ऐसा लगेगा 1, 2, 3. लेकिन दिस इज नॉट द पॉइंट. I want you to be able to redirect the direction of your kicks. अगर हम लेफ्ट से राइट की तरफ आ रहे हैं और आपने हवा में देखा कि नहीं यार ऐसा सही नहीं है, तो you should be able to change direction. हवा में ही हर पैर की डायरेक्शन बदलने का हुनर आपके पास होना चाहिए. So now this is not just 3, this is 6. पहले वाले से without putting the leg down, you go 1, 2, 3, and now you come down. Without putting the leg down, you go down here. And here and here, right? So it is nothing but 1, 2, 3, come down. 1, 2, 3 without putting the leg down. So 6. So it is like, right? We try it again. So it is like, that's all for today. जो भी आपने राइट से किया वो लेफ्ट से भी करना है. Keep practicing. Increase your repetition number from 3 to 5 to 10 to 11 to 20. Just go like that. Okay, be careful. Take rest. That's important. The guy who said no pain, no gain is dead. Anyway, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe and press the bell icon. Karate TV online class where we are training like this on a daily basis, almost daily basis. Online classes. Link is in description. You can click the link and join Karate TV online class. देयर इज अनदर चैनल, हमारा छोटा वाला चैनल भी है कराटे टी वाले भैया, उसको भी सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. उसमें भी आप ये सब ये नहीं देखेंगे, उसमें आपको हमारा दूसरा चेहरा दिखेगा जो आपको यहाँ पे कभी कभी दिखता है लेकिन खुल के नहीं दिख पाता. ओके, सब्सक्राइब टू कराटे टी वाले भैया एंड फॉलो मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. उससे ऐसा कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है लेकिन हाँ मेरे को फ़ायदा है.